Wonderful Tonight.
Nakantayin ka tayo ni Manong Ray Lagmay. Didi pa
Ayan.
lang programa tayo na pauluan.
Rayaw ni Ilocano.
Mang Ray Banat!
Nagsayatin.
Kaslak lang DJ Kasaran Marvin.
Padasik lang ako ha.
It's late in the evening. Nagsamit nga boses eh.
Wondering what clouds to wear.
Ikaw ba
Kasalagar
yan?
Arim.
Both hair and makeup, and brushes her long, long nail. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
Sala ko di maya. Ayan. Wonderful Tonight. Dito lang ang programa tayo na pauluan.
Rayaw ni Ilocano.
We go to a party, and everyone turn to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of love is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Ano doy?
Ananoy!
Napasubo.
Manong Ray,
Aha.
ikaw na ba yan?
Yes.
Kaya mo yan, kuya. Ikaw pa ba?
Sigurado.
Parang ikaw si Eric Clapton ha?
It's time to go home now, and I've got to head. So I give her a car cake, and she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Wonderful Tonight. Dito lang ang programa na pauluan.
Rayaw ni Ilocano.
Ayan, so thank you so much sa Mang Ray. And of course, meron tayong message dito coming from Glenn de la Cruz, Labasan. Hi, watching from United States of America. United States